looking for a piece of affordable land in Colorado to build a off-grid home near a lot of wildlife, and we do have a 5.67 acres lot might meet your needs. So this lot is located in the southern Colorado. So the circle um, is the land. So the location. So it is like 2.5 hours drive to Colorado Springs, and then another 2.5 hours drive to Santa Fe is in between. So it is 10 miles to Alamosa, the downtown Alamosa, and then near Great Sand Dune National Park. And this is the wildlife refuge. And this is Mount Blanca is here. There has a lot of outdoor activities and you can enjoy in this area. So downtown Alamosa, you have all the you know uh, shopping opportunities in this area, not that far, probably 10 miles. So the parcel is look like this. So this probably the property should be off of south a little bit. The GIS map is not totally accurate. So this is a canal running here actually. So it's not on the property. It's border the property. So basically every spring, so the county will allow some of the irrigation. Is a dry canal, only running maybe 1 or 2 weeks in a year, and but you do not have the water right for this. You could definitely asking the county to give you the residential well permit and septic tank permit to build your house. So there's no homeowner association. The property tax is around $165 per year. So this is the surveying map from the Alamosa County. So I'm talking about this is a lot here, as you can see. So this is the road. You can directly drive your. It's a dirt road. You can drive there. This is the legal easement. I don't know exactly how well maintained for the physical road. You should always drive there to check by plugging the GPS coordinates on our website. So RV parking is always the county. This is the Alamosa County land use website. You should always go there to do your own due diligence. And they have really good information about RV parking. Can you grow marijuana? The zoning. How can I get building permit? That kind of questions. Because this county constantly changing. I mean, their RV parking seems like the policy changed in the late years. You should always verifying, here's their phone number, verifying with the county building department. Of course, you don't have to build. So this is the area I showed you from the Google Earth. So this is the property, and then it's just surrounded by a lot of beautiful, national forest, these mountains, and give you a lot of fun outdoor activities. And more information for land, go to our website, cheaplandfarm.com to find out. So we do offer a cash price, which is below market price, and also we offer a little bit higher seller financing price. If you want to create your own seller financing price, the more of the down payment you put there, the less of term you use with us, and the closer to the one-time cash price, and click the Buy Now button to move forward. We do charge $497 of a doc fee for prepare all the documents. And then here is a video to show you how to water our properties, and we can close in house for you, or you can definitely using attorney or title company. That's all good. Other frequent asked questions is listed on our website here, and then you can click. So this is Bay. I'm the founder of the cheaplandfarm.com. Go visit the property this weekend and have a great trip. Thank you.